Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a magic morph text in Canva. So let's get started by open your Canva. You can try open one of your projects, one of your design, or you can try to open blank space like this. So let's try from the scratch and use this magic morph. You can search on the apps, type magic morph, and will show up magic morph. So you can add text first here. For example, let's zoom in. Sorry, let's add text first. Here, for example, a new item. This one trending here. Get back to the apps and this magic morph. So if this one, you can describe the look, maybe or you can try this for example. This one and use magic morph. So you have to wait to generate. Please wait a moment. So the magic morph is on. So you can try this, but please be wait because it's take too long to load. So but you can feel free to try to use this magic morph here. As you can see, this one. So you can create again with another effect. This technology is new and improving. Please check blah 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 blah. So you can go back, start from the scratch again, and generate again and design based on your preferences. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the text button below. See you in the